chemistry of actinides. We talked about the different elements in actinide series. They are from thorium to lawrencium. They have characteristic properties and they are also having F-orbital in the process of their completion. Generally, their electronic configuration is N-2 F1 to 14 and N-1 D1 NS2. There are different oxidation states for the actinide series. Predominantly, they are existing in +3 oxidation state. As you may see, there are other properties like metallic character in them as well, like lanthanides. Their oxidation states, मतलब एक लैंथेनाइड्स की तरह इनके थोड़े से ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट वेरिएशन कर सकते हैं. उनके थोड़े फिक्स्ड होते हैं, इधर थोड़े से वेरिएशंस आती हैं. They are little bit intense in color. They are also showing actinide contraction and they are also showing magnetic properties. अच्छा, फिर हमने transuranic elements के बारे में शुरू किया था. That what are transuranic elements? These are elements lying beyond uranium. 92 से onward जितने भी elements होते हैं, they are called transuranic elements. But trans means after, uranic means uranium. So it is after uranium, the elements falling after uranium, they are called transuranic elements. But generally, we call them artificial elements as well because they are made by man after bombardment of certain elements like neptunium. It was prepared by Weil and Seeberg in 1942 by the action of high-speed neutrons on uranium-238. When you hit uranium-238 by high-speed neutrons, you will get neptunium. Plutonium-239 is very important isotope in nuclear chemistry because it is used in nuclear reactors. It is produced on a large scale from natural uranium by the action of slow neutrons on uranium-238. When you hit it by high-speed neutrons, so you will get neptunium. When you hit uranium-238 by slow neutrons, you will get plutonium. Americium, it is prepared by bombarding plutonium-239 with alpha particles. So when you hit plutonium-239 by alpha particles, you will get americium. Transuranic elements, during the last about 40 years, a number of elements beyond uranium, beyond atomic number 92 have been prepared in the laboratory through nuclear reactions. We already talked about this. So they are called transuranic elements. Preparation जो है इनका, it was found by Seeberg at the University of California that when uranium is bombarded with neutrons of a certain critical velocity, one neutron is captured per atom of uranium, giving rise to an element of higher mass number. मतलब पहले जब transuranic elements discover हुए थे तो it was discovered by Seeberg. When he hit the uranium-238 nucleus by neutrons. So you may see in the reaction uranium-238 is hit by neutrons, so it is converted to uranium-239 and alpha particles are emitted. This new isotope of uranium is much more radioactive than the natural uranium. This one, uranium-238 is one isotope and uranium-239 is another isotope. These are the two types of the isotope of the uranium, but in these two types, uranium-239 is highly radioactive. मतलब इसकी radioactivity ज़्यादा है. It emits radiation. So it was concluded that uranium-239 is obtained after the action of neutron on uranium-238. So, and after radioactivity, it emits a beta particle and gives give a new element of atomic number 93 which does not occur in nature. Like you may see यूरेनियम 239 जो है ये फिर रेडियोएक्टिविटी के बाद नेपच्यूनियम देता है. 93 उसका एटॉमिक नंबर होता है 239 एंड बीटा एमिशन होती है. So you are seeing this E0-1, so this is called beta negatron इसको कहते हैं. लेकिन अभी we are not talking about the particles, so we are just only talking about transuranic elements. So neutronium is obtained by the action of neutrons on uranium-238 nucleus. Neptunium is also radioactive and emits a beta particle, giving another new element of atomic number 94 known as plutonium. When neptunium, this is undergoing the radioactivity, so you will observe plutonium like neptunium 93-239. This is converted to plutonium 239-94 with the release of the beta particle. So you are seeing that plutonium is obtained by the radioactive reaction of neptunium. Actually, three isotopes of plutonium with mass number 236, 238 and 239 are formed. मतलब ये जो radioactivity neptunium होती है उसमें तीन isotopes बनते हैं, but we have shown just only one. The next two elements, americium and curium, were obtained by the bombardment of uranium-238 with alpha particles. When you hit uranium-238 by alpha particles are actually helium particles. So when you hit them by the uranium-238 is hit by the alpha particles He42, so plutonium-241-94. So you can obtain plutonium by the radioactive emission of beta particles of neptunium, or you can also observe plutonium by the alpha bombardment of uranium-238. So in fact, two isotopes of plutonium with mass number 241 and 239 are produced, which undergo the following nuclear reaction. Now, the plutonium-241, this is undergoing the beta decay, इसको कहते हैं beta particle emission. Radioactivity जब इसमें हो जाती है, so plutonium is converted to americium 95, 241 plus beta particle. Similarly, plutonium-239 agar bana ho, so when it is hit by the alpha particles, so it is converted to curium 96-242 plus neutron. Californium was synthesized by the bombardment of curium with accelerated alpha particles. So you can obtain californium, which is having atomic number 98, by the bombardment of the curium 242 with alpha particle. So it is converted to californium 98-246 plus gamma ray. Along with this, you can also see another reaction like curium 96-242. When it is hit by alpha particle, it is converted to californium 244 with the release of two neutrons. Einsteinium was obtained by the bombardment of an isotope of californium with neutron. The californium isotope of mass number 253 obtained during bombardment yielded Einsteinium as a result of beta ray emission as illustrated. Now, when you hit californium, which is obtained in the previous reactions by neutrons, so you will observe like in this one, californium is hit by neutrons, so it is converted to californium 251. This is another isotope of the californium, along with the release of the gamma ray. When californium 251 is hit by neutron, so it is converted to californium 252 with the release of the gamma particle. When californium is hit by another neutron, 252. So it is converted to californium 253 plus gamma particle. So you can overall say californium 250 is hit by 3 neutrons to be converted to californium 253 plus gamma, 3 gamma particles. When californium 253 is obtained, it is undergoing the beta decay and is converted to Einsteinium. Californium 253 is converted to Einsteinium 253 with atomic number 99 with the release of the beta particle. Okay? Now fermium, which is having atomic number 100, was obtained by the bombardment of Einsteinium with neutrons when the isotope of Einsteinium formed during the process yielded fermium as a result of beta ray emission. When you hit this Einsteinium, the 253 by the neutrons, so it is converted to Einsteinium 254 plus gamma particle. Now this Einsteinium 254, this undergoes beta emission to be converted to fermium 100 254 plus beta particle. The next three elements, namely mendelevium, nobelium, and lawrencium, were also synthesized through nuclear reactions as illustrated below. Like Einsteinium 253, when it is hit by helium particles, it is converted to mendelevium 256101 plus neutron. When curium 96246 is hit by carbon particles, so it is converted to nobelium 254102 plus 4 neutrons. When californium 25098 is hit by boron particles, so it is converted to lawrencium 257 103 plus 4 neutrons. So you can see that we have almost studied the preparation of every element after uranium 93, 94, 95, 96, okay? And then the 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. So all the elements, they are synthesized from certain isotopes of the actinides, or the particularly the uranium element is used for the synthesis of the transuranic elements. So these elements are actually produced by the bombardment of the particles. They are having very less half lives, they are highly radioactive, तो इसलिए इनकी एग्जिस्टेंस जो है ये थोड़ी सी कम होती है. तो ये जब बन जाते हैं तो तकरीबन जल्दी पर ख़त्म भी हो जाते हैं. Half lives इनकी कम है. Uses of actinides. Actinides find uses in americium is used as smoke detectors. If you want to install smoke in industries, in homes, or in any type of the area, और आप उसको detect करना चाहते हैं, so americium is used as a detector in smoke detectors. Thorium is used in gas metals. Gas metal में thorium use किया जाता है. Uranium and other actinide find uses in nuclear weapons. Uranium, thorium, plutonium, they are used in nuclear weapons. Actinides are used as a fuel in nuclear reactor. Particularly uranium, thorium और plutonium जो है ये nuclear reactor में as a fuel use करते हैं. Nuclear reactors are used for the production of the electricity. ठीक है, पावर जनरेशन इससे की जाती है. पाकिस्तान में भी इससे की जाती है. कराची में है, कैनू पावर प्लांट है. ठीक है, पूरी दुनिया में न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर से बिजली बनाई जाती है. पाकिस्तान इज वन ऑफ देम, इंक्लूडेड इन वन ऑफ देम. There is actinide 227 is used as a neutron source. You can also use different isotopes of the actinides as a neutron source. मतलब अब आपने देख लिया कि हमने कहा है कि इतने न्यूट्रॉन्स आते हैं और हिट करते हैं तो ये बनता है, इतने न्यूट्रॉन्स आते हैं ये हिट करता है, तो इस तरीके से. सो actually these neutrons are emitted by certain isotopes of the actinides. ठीक है, तो ये न्यूट्रॉन इनसे लिए जाते हैं एंड दे आर बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर द डिफरेंट न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शंस, ताकि आपके पास और जितने ट्रांसयूरेनिक एलिमेंट्स हैं वो बन सके. या हम जो कहते हैं कि न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर्स में या न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स में जो रिएक्शंस को इनिशिएट करते हैं तो वो न्यूट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो इनसे लिए जाते हैं. 228 actinium, 228 radium mixtures are used as an intense gamma source in industry and medicines. गामा सोर्स जो है ये इसकी भी अपनी यूजेस हैं. मतलब गामा रेज जो हैं ये असल में इंडस्ट्रीज में इस तरह इस्तेमाल होते हैं कि हम किसी जगह पे लीकेज को डिटेक्ट करते हैं. तो गामा रेज जो जहाँ से मतलब निकल रहे होते हैं तो हम उसको डिटेक्ट कर लेते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में बड़े बड़े सिलेंडर्स, बड़े बड़े कंटेनर्स होते हैं तो उनको डिटेक्ट करना मुश्किल होता है. So using radioactivity, you can easily identify the leakage of the material from anywhere in industries, particularly the gases. Medicines में भी गामा रेज जो है मतलब इनको गामा रेज को यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर द कीमोथेरेपी, फॉर रेडियोथेरेपी ऑफ द कैंसर्स. तो ये चीज़ें जो है अपनी जहन में रखे कि क्या का मिक्सचर जो है ये गामा सोर्स के तौर पे यूज़ किया जाता है जिसमें एक्टिनाइड्स इन्वॉल्व हैं. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेल्फ ग्लोइंग एक्टिनाइड matrices is a new area of actinide utilization as the addition of alpha emitting radionuclides to some glasses and crystals may confer luminescence. आपने आजकल ग्लास को देखा होगा कि वो जी चमक भी रही होती है, उसके साथ उसमें रंग भी आते हैं डिफरेंट तरीके से. तो ये जो है ये डोपिंग इसको कहते हैं. तो एक्टिनाइड अक्सर हम इसको डोप करते हैं ग्लास में ताकि आपके पास डिफरेंट टाइप्स की क्रिस्टल्स या ग्लासेस बन सकें जो ल्यूमिनेसेंट हो. इसके अलावा हम इनको LCDs में भी यूज़ करते हैं, LEDs में भी यूज़ करते हैं एज अ सोर्स, वाइट लाइट सोर्स. डिफरेंट डोपिंग करके इनसे वाइट लाइट सोर्स बनाई जाती है और वो LCDs, LEDs या इस तरह के डिफरेंट इसमें यूज़ किए जाते हैं. सो लैंथेनाइड्स एंड एक्टिनाइड्स आर वेरी यूजफुल एलिमेंट्स and they can be used anywhere in our daily life. If you people have any question regarding today's lecture, you may ask.